$10,000!
What does a former winner of $10,000 do with $10,000?
Not take his co-champion out to lunch.
Oh! And you're back too! Yeah!
School. Nursing school.
Hey, better than having $10,000 in debt, so.
Yeah, exactly.
How about for you?
Take my husband on a cruise.
How about for you guys? What do you do with $10,000?
Pay a bill and just blow the rest of it.
Woohoo!
That's all it takes. How many of you are new? Because you saw the opportunity to come away with $10,000!
It took days for Candy to get over this. So she felt bad about this.
I do.
She feels bad about this, but she really cannot see. So it's not her fault.
Thank you, Hobie. Let's do it. Let's get the first number.
Candy has reached in.
Don't be mad.
Don't be mad.
Number 1.
$98 or $10,000. I mean, that's kind of cool, right? Who's still in it? Now, the question for you, is it going to be Valerie? Is it going to be Gary? Is it going to be Valerie? Is it going to be Gary? One of these two people from Cat Country will take away $10,000.
My favorite number, 24.
Alex, now, if she wins $10,000, do you get to spend it on anything, or?
We're looking for a new car, so.
Hey, you're in the right spot. Philip wants to talk to you about that F-150 right over there. Go Freeze or Niceville, somebody's winning $10,000.
Is this the winner?
This right here is the next person out. This is the eliminated one.
The hopper is the winner.
Valerie just won $10,000! Valerie! Valerie just won $10,000!
You told me to take the 90s, and why didn't you take the 98?
You almost shorted yourself $10,000! Yeah! Wait, come here, Valerie.
Thank you, Candy. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. Don't thank me.
So Valerie, what's it like to have just won $10,000?
It feels awesome. It's no longer hot out here.
Now, what do you think you guys are really going to do with it?
Student loans.
Student loans, my man. Sorry for the car. But I like student loans.
I don't.
Okay, well, I like getting rid of student loans, trust me. Congratulations. What now, have you already graduated and you're getting rid of some stuff? What do you do?
Oh, yes. I've definitely already graduated.
All right, so what do you do?
I work at Navy Federal Credit Union.
Yeah! We love Navy Federal too. Well, congratulations to you. How excited are you?
I'm still shocked. I'm very shocked. I'm very excited though.
It's a lot of zeros, man.
That is a lot of zeros. Have you ever won anything like this before?
No, definitely not. I won concert tickets from you guys, and that was pretty exciting. But this beats it.
Valerie from Gulf Breeze just won $10,000!
I told her I wore yellow.
Valerie, as soon as she wins, screams, jumps up and down, runs, and jumps in her husband's arms and says,
He told me to take $98.
how do you feel about that now, dude? Greasy. Yeah, well, there you go. Well, congratulations. So, now, I know there was some conversation about what you're going to do with it. What are you going to do with the $10,000?
Well, I am in the market for a new car, but I really think it should go to me to pay down some of my student loans.
You know, living debt-free is a great way to be.
It is.
and we're going to help you a long way with whatever you choose to do, whether it's a car or your student loans. Congratulations from Cat Country 98.7.
Thank you so much.
Was it fun?
It was amazing and hot.
Thank you from World Ford. It's Valerie, your winner for $10,000.